Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you all how to line up your lips and how to make them look a little fuller. So I'm going to use these two lip liners. They are from Avon Cosmetics and one is in brown shade and one is in nude. So actually these two are my go-to lip liners and they can go with anyone's skin tone. It just matches your skin tone. Make sure you're having a lip liner with a nude shade. You don't need to have lots of colors of the lip liners. You should only have a nude shade and nude or a brown. They both are really okay. It just goes with any lipsticks and it just matches up really well with all the lip shades. You don't need to get lots and lots of lip liners according to the lip shades. So really well, it just glides on the lips really smoothly and it just makes the curves look really good and better. So as you all can see, my hair, these are my natural hair. I have not straightened them, I have not styled them, nothing. These are my natural looking hair. So I was actually really bored to straighten up today. That's the reason. And the look which I've created, it's like this, like it's a glass, like glossy eyes like. So it's a really shimmery look and I'm gonna pair it up with a nude lip. So I'm going to show you all how to apply your lip liner and make your lips look fuller. Nude and or a brown, these both are really okay. So I'm going to show you how I line up my lips and how I make them look a little fuller. So let's hop in the video. So before starting the video, I'm going to tell you something about these products. So these two lip liners I'm using for a really long time and they're really super old ones. So actually it just glides up really well. It's really smooth and it's really awesome. It just gives you the smooth finish on your lips and you can just use this lip liner all over your lip for office, for college, anything. It's just the go-to shade. I'll just swatch them and show you all. So this one is the brown. Yeah, this is how it looks. And this one is a sort of browny nude type. It's almost a little similar. It just looks a little bit, a tiny difference they both are having, but they really look good on Indian skin tones mostly. And a fair skin tone can also use these two lip liners and they both are really good. So I'm going to show how to line up your lips and make them look fuller. So let's start. If you guys want a look like a tutorial on this makeup look, so tell me in the comment section below. I will be happy to really recreate this look again. It's sort of shimmery eyes, glossy eyes look. So let me take you a little bit closer. Yeah. So this is my lip look like. So firstly I'm gonna use with this, it's an Avon. See, you can't even see the name, it's that much. So it's this shade, this sort of the second one. So I'm just gonna glide up. You might be thinking it's like improper lines, but don't worry, it's gonna be all right. Then over here you're gonna line up like an X. See, and over here, if you guys want more fuller lips, then you can just overdraw it or go a little bit higher. But if you want according to your lip line, then you can just overdraw on that. But if you want more fuller, then you can go higher. So this is it. Now I'm gonna use the brown shade, this one. Over here you can also apply like this. See, it just creates a deep depth inside it. it just looks like a deeper inside, and it automatically makes it look fuller. See? If you want, you can just line up a little bit, like the same color you can use it on, and you can just do a little bit over here, a little bit of popping, and over here. That's it. So now I'm gonna go ahead with my lipstick. I'm gonna go with the L'Oreal Paris. It's the color Richie 292 Shelley's Plan. It's perfect sort of nude shade, nice coral shade it is almost. So I'm just gonna dab that on my lips. So I'm just gonna dab my lipstick. If you want, you can just glide it, but I feel dabbing on makes a little bit more precise and it looks more even. And if you want, you can mix it with your fingers too. Then over here in the inner corners, I'm gonna glide it. See. It automatically looks fuller enough, and you might be thinking it's not even, but you can just wipe it off. Yeah. See, it just looks really great. So now for the more shadow, I'm gonna use a contour or a bronzer to bronze up a little bit over here so that it creates a shadow. So can you guys can see a difference? It just looks more open up and more fuller. So this is how I do my lips. So now for bronzer, I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer, and I'm gonna use the brush which has come with it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, dust off the excess, and oh yeah, exact down your lower lip. You just have to brush it up. If you're having a small brush, it's okay, but I'm gonna use this one. See, it just creates a shadow. So this is how I'll do my lips. I just use a bronzer and lip liner and lipstick. That's it, and it just gives me fuller lips. You don't need a lip injection, nothing. It's just within minutes. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you all have enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Please hit the notification bell. And if you guys want this look like a tutorial, so tell me in the comments below. I would love to do as a tutorial because it's really amazing look. It just looks so glittery and so glistening. Let me guys show you. See, it just looks glistening. So I literally love this look. It just looks amazing. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Like, share and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account will be down in the description. So bye guys.